The Tippet environment is perfect for busy individuals in business. And some of those we might call execs who are lucky enough in today's world to have an assistant. In this case, we're going to call them an executive assistant. And in this video, we're going to show how that translates into a Tippet environment.
That's right. So in our example here, we have Raf the exec and Ashley the PA.
Okay.
And that's what these two phones here are. We have Raf set up here on our left and Ashley set up on our right.
Right.
And we're going to now go into Tippet Administration Portal, turn on the executive assistant feature, and then make a call and see if both phones ring.
Okay, let's do that.
So in the Tippet Administration Portal, we start in Raf the exec's profile. We go to the call control option in the menu and then choose executive. And in there, what we need to do is to identify who our executive assistants are going to be. So we can do a search on user ID. Now, because we have such a large demo enterprise here, we need to filter the group down a little bit so we don't end up with too many choices. So we're filtering down to our particular group, and we can see that there are two potential candidates here. Now, you might say, we have a lot of users in this organization. Why these two? The reason is that the executive and the executive assistant both must have the executive feature pack assigned to them.
Okay.
So if you've got one of those with the standard pack, you have to take the standard pack away and give them the executive pack.
All right.
All right, so we're going to say that Ashley is now being added as our executive assistant. All right, so we can apply that. And then up here, we can see some filtering tabs.
Yep.
Screening tabs, alerting tabs. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn on call filtering, and we're just basically going to go through each of the tabs and set up the screening and filtering features that we want, and the alerting features as well, and then we apply them, and okay. And that's all we need to do, but why don't we try and make a call?
Let's do that. And ideally, when we ring Raf the exec, both phones should ring.
That's right. So we're now ringing Raf the exec from another person in the enterprise.
Okay.
And there they are. And then we can answer on Ashley's phone in this particular example, but you could just as easily have answered as Raf if Raf preferred to pick that up based on seeing the call come in. So there we are. Fairly simple, straightforward setup.
The big tip here is to make sure they're both on the executive pack.
That's right.